MacBook Pro A1989 motherboard unable to power on. We connect our EDP meter. This is the left side EDP meter. This is the right side EDP meter. Left side already tested, but there is no problem in left side, and this is the right side. And right side there is a issue in 2 points. See, 1989 right test. See, test result. There is 2 line issue, pin number 5859. We have to check what is the issue in these 2 line. See, this is our board view, and right side Thunderbolt. This is the 58 number pin, and this pin goes into this USB-C IC. This is a UB400 CD3215 IC, USB-C IC. This IC, maybe this IC is issue and shorted. We have to replace this IC. Let's replace this IC and repair this motherboard. MacBook Pro A1989. Thank you.